Monitoring your servers is an integral part of maintenance and management. Usually this involves complicated setups and busy dashboards, but today I want to introduce you to Beszel, a simple yet powerful server monitoring solution that works on Linux as well as Windows. In this video, I will demonstrate how to deploy Beszel server on TrueNAS as well as an agent endpoint to show you how it looks to monitor a real server. This video was voted on over the weekend on our Discord server. If you want to have input over which videos we make sure you're signed up on our Discord server by using the link in the video description below. Let's jump in. The first thing I'm going to want to do on TrueNAS is deploy a dataset in my tank configs dataset for Beszel to store all its information on. In the top right, I'm going to click Add Dataset and name it Beszel. I'm going to leave the dataset preset as generic and click Save. When the warning comes up, I'm just going to click Return to Pool List. In the bottom right, I want to click the Edit button in the Permissions box and change the group to Apps. Underneath Apps, I want to click the Apply Group checkbox. And on the right here with all these blue checkboxes, I want to make sure the row for Group has all three checked and the row for Other has none checked. Then click Save. Now I want to jump over to the wiki. In the search bar at the top, type Beszel. Click the result. And in section 1, Deploy Beszel, I want to use the first tab, 1.1 for Server. Copy this entire Docker Compose file, jump over to Dockage Web UI, click the Compose button in the top left, change the stack name to Beszel, and on the right, go ahead and highlight all this placeholder information and paste over it with the Docker Compose YAML we just copied. Hit deploy. Now that the server is up and running, go ahead and click the 8090 pill to jump into the Web UI. Let's create an admin account. Now we're on the dashboard. Let's go ahead and deploy an agent now on TrueNAS and add the system. Start by clicking the Add System button in the top right. We are going to use Docker. I'm going to call this TrueNAS. The host of my TrueNAS is 10.99.0.242. I'm going to leave the port default, and I'm going to need these two values, and I'm going to just keep that right here. Let's go ahead and copy the Docker Compose. Now I'm going to jump back to Dockage, start a new Compose stack, and I'm going to call this Beszel agent. I'm going to paste the Docker Compose file it gave me. I'm not going to change anything, and I'm going to go ahead and click Deploy. Let's jump back to the dashboard now. I can close this window and click Add System. We can see it's already connected here by the green dot, and we already have some statistics. The CPU is in 1.35. We can see we're using about a quarter of the memory and almost half the disk with no GPU. Let's go ahead and click this row. Even though it's only been running for a short time, we could already see some of the data starting to come in across all of these fields. CPU usage, Docker CPU usage, memory usage, Docker memory usage, disk usage, I/O, bandwidth, all these other statistics here. And right now it's listing these containers. I'm going to go ahead and start up some more Docker containers so I can throw some more I/O load on the server. Now that I've started up my RStack, we're going to see a lot more usage as indicated by this red spike here. We can see our memory usage and our CPU usage absolutely went up dramatically. When I scroll all the way to the bottom, we can now see all of the apps are running and it's picking up all my Docker containers without me having to do anything. I can click some of these to see some more information about them. By clicking Jellyfin, I can actually see the logs from the container as well as some details below it. In the top bar, we have some additional icons here to bring us to some other pages within Beszel. The first icon brings me to my containers page and shows me all the containers running and on which system they're running on. Because I'm only monitoring one system right now, everything just shows as TrueNAS, but if I had multiple endpoints attached to Beszel, we would be able to sort this and filter this by system, CPU, memory, or whatever it is that we want to sort this window by. We have an option to change the language, change to light mode, or change our settings here. There are many settings you guys can go through depending on what you want to do in terms of units and the warning thresholds. You can also set notifications using Shouter if you want to do a webhook, add tokens and fingerprints, look at your alert history, and adjust the YAML config if you wanted to, but I obviously don't suggest doing this. Clicking Beszel in the top left will bring me back to the main dashboard, where usually you would see a list of all the systems you are monitoring. In the event you want to add a Windows system, jump back over to the wiki, go to the Windows client, and run the script in a PowerShell window. Overall, Beszel is super easy to use. You saw how simple it was for me to deploy the Docker Compose file on TrueNAS to get the server running, and it gives you the Docker Compose file for all the Linux systems you want to add. Let me know in the comments below if you're monitoring your servers and which system you're using and what you think about Beszel. I'm a big fan of this over the more complicated dashboards that happen to be a little more popular because I love the simplicity and the way that Beszel just looks. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos by us, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you're notified when new videos drop. If you want to have a longer conversation with us, go ahead and jump on the ServersatHome Discord. You'll find a link for that in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, stay curious.